Hey, beautiful people. Happy Thursday. It is August the 15th. Y'all already know what it is. Working out. So they're doing a new path here. So I was like, this would be a great place to come down. I walked all the way down by the water to the other side. It's really pretty, y'all. So pretty. So that's what we're doing right now. How y'all doing today? How's everybody doing? Is everybody enjoying their moment, their day, their time? If you're at work, if you're at school, if you're at home, if you're in the kitchen, wherever you are, I hope y'all are having a blessed day. So I'll catch up with y'all in a little while because I'm about to finish getting my run on. All right, she's trying to whip it back into shape, y'all. Okay? Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday. I'm gonna show y'all outfit of the day. So it is like 70-ish. So this is my outfit of the day. Y'all remember this top? Love it. Just got on some jeans with the distress in the knees. Yep, I do. I'm gonna throw this hat on because it's supposed to get up to I think it's supposed to get up to 76. So it is starting to chill down, y'all. I'm gonna throw this hat on. I like it. So I'll meet you guys. Hold on. I'll meet you all in the car. Okay? We gotta talk a little bit. Hey y'all, happy Friday. Like I said, it's Friday the 16th, August 16th. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is well. Y'all, today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day. No matter what you're going through, no matter what's being thrown at you or whatever, it's still a good day, okay? Keep the faith. Keep believing in whatever your dreams or whatever it is, y'all. It don't even have to be a dream. It don't even have to be about how much money I'm going to be making and just some of the stuff that don't really mean any good, don't really mean anything. But just continue to be happy. Just live in your truth, live in your peace, okay? That's the main thing, live in your peace. But today is a good day and it's going to be an amazing day. So I wasn't going to address this because I know a lot of times y'all say, Sonya, just do you. Don't worry about people. But, Sheila. Now, I'm going to go through your comments because I can click on your name and see all the comments you ever left me. Now, if I start seeing comments that you left before that was crazy, this truck has been running lights. I'm not going to get stuck behind him because he ran a light already and I almost ran it. He just did it again. No. I can't. I got a truck, but I can't see that high. It's like a big old semi. But anyway, I'm going to go through the comments and see what other comments. But it was like the comment, I'm going to post it somewhere in here that it said, matter of fact, hold on. Stop trying to be young. Huh? What? Stop trying to be young. I am young. Stop trying to be young. How could you stop trying to be young when that's who you are? I'm youthful. I look youthful. There was a problem with wearing a coat. I got a blue jean jacket right here. If it gets cold in any store I'm going in, I'm putting my coat on. I specifically said when I went in Sam's Club, I bought my coat, my surfer coat, for a simple fact. it's cold in Sam's Club. Sheila, everybody know it's cold in Sam's Club, Costco's, BJ's. What do you mean? And then you mentioned about sunglasses. Hello, let me put my sunnies on, okay? In the store. These you can see through. These ain't even dark. This is something that you might not wear in the store. This is dark, okay? It ain't real dark, but it's dark. I don't understand what you mean. You have to let me know what you mean, because if anybody reads the comment, it sounds suspicious, honey. I'm sorry. I'm a woman, and I can peep out what people trying to low-key, like, try to say or whatever. And then, you know, a couple people thumbs it up. Somebody had enough sense not to thumbs it up, but I'm just saying, like, huh? Then you tried to clean it up with saying, my daughter's carrying well and she's beautiful or something like that. Everything you said before that, or anything you say after what you said, it don't even make sense. It doesn't even mean anything. So I don't even receive that. I'm just being honest. I'm real human. I'm a real human woman. I don't like low-key dissing undertones. I'm very, very intelligent. I'm very intelligent. I'm very wise. And that's why a lot of people, I don't get along with a lot of people, because I am that way. Somebody put it in the last couple of videos very well clear. It's because you can see, you can feel energy. I don't do all the whole energy, but you know what I'm saying. But come on, Sheila, if you didn't mean nothing, it's out the door. But I'm a smart girly. Also, you mentioned the vest that I wore, and I'm not being realistic in my videos. Go back to 2016. Go back to 2016 when I first started my YouTube, and you tell me. Y'all go back to my videos. I got somebody, Melissa, who's been going back in my videos, watching my videos. What are you talking about? Like, what are you saying? What are you insinuating underneath? What are you saying? And then I think it's a word I'll probably use, glamour. That probably, I don't know how old you are, but I'm sorry. I'm not changing for nobody, okay? I'm me, okay? I'll see y'all a little later, okay? Oh, but I was saying about the black vest. It's a black puffer vest. Didn't I tell y'all when I was in Myrtle Beach, the early part of this year, summer, that it was one of the days was it was like late. I mean, not late, but it was like, I think that one of the temperatures that was the lowest could have been 76. And with drizzle, why wouldn't I have that on? You know what? Bye, y'all. I'll see y'all in a little while. Going and grab this spray paint from the Walmarts, because I'm trying to hurry up and get my project done. I think later on it's supposed to rain, if I'm not mistaken. So if I can get those things sprayed today, that'll be awesome. It's cold in here. Oh my God, I should have bought my jacket inside because it's cold. Guys, this flat ultra matte, look at that. $6. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta get it though. I want to go and get one. Thank God I'm only doing 2 chairs for now. I can't. Oh my gosh. I gotta get somebody. This one here. Yeah. Y'all don't have the section that has like the markdowns? Yeah, only need one.
Okay.
Only get one, yes.
So if you go for electronic food,
Yeah.
if you keep going down so you see movie aisle, it'll be a big aisle that's in clearance.
Okay.
Right next to the crowd.
Okay, so some paint might be over there.
Yeah,
Okay.
might be.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too. How do you work this?
What's that?
I want to see if I
Little,
want anything.
yeah.
Let's see.
Just 3.
I think you're supposed to scan right here. I'm not sure, but
So just scan this thing there.
scan that on here.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is selling?
It says please wait. Sorry, not a winning ticket. That's all right. It's cool.
Okay.
It's cool. Even if I did hit the lottery, I wouldn't tell nobody. I wouldn't tell not a soul. That would be between me and the Most High. I would not tell a soul that I won. No one. I would give people stuff, but I would not tell nobody that I won anything. I don't think they would be suspicious of, oh, she's just giving out some. I don't know, because I got a good heart, but I wouldn't tell nobody per se that I'll hit anything. I wouldn't, because you can't trust nobody anymore. You can't trust nobody. That's why I stay to myself, because you can't trust people. People just have ill will intentions. Like, they don't have your best interest at heart. So I wouldn't tell nobody, y'all. I made it home, and I got called in to work, so I'm gonna take it. So I'm gonna do that. But I just wanted to show you. Got these almost removed off of one set of the chairs. And all you do is just take an island key and get it off. So that was really quick. Okay. So today is a nice day. It's very windy and it's gonna be good. The temperature is like right for me to take it outside and let them dry. So I can bring them in before I get ready to go to work. So there it is. I got one of them off. And just let them out and take these babies outside and spray them. I wanted to show y'all too though. Walgreens has tissue. This here, they have this right here, Walgreens. It'll be $2.15 for this. This equals 4 mega rolls equals 16 regular rolls. So if you need some tissue, go to Walgreens. And then I also got that picture done that I told you guys I wanted to put in the bathroom. Ooh. I went and got that copy. And we're gonna go ahead and change that. Y'all, tomorrow I'm gonna do the yard sale. So these black velvet pillows, that's what I was trying to tell you. I'm trying to get away from the velvet pillows. That's what it is, the velvet look. I don't think it's luxury anymore. So I'm gonna put these in the actual yard sale. And then depending on how I like how the let me turn this other light on. Depending how I like how the chairs come out, I may I may do the other two. So yeah, these are gonna get put up. But I wanted to show y'all how that green look. It's so rich and pretty. This is luxury to me. Just the look of it is like really like luxe. Okay, so let's put her on in here. Y'all need to take a nap, really. It's nap time for me though, for real. I gotta get at least an hour power nap. Oh, we gonna get it done. Cause me come first before some work, okay? I ain't turning down no money, but I still, if it's gonna interfere with me going to sleep, then we got a problem. Okay? We're gonna have a problem. So pretty, y'all. These pillows are so pretty. Pillowcases, I keep saying pillows. These pillowcases are beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. I got a call coming in. I'll check back in with you guys. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So today is yard sale day. So here's everything that I have for the sale. I got the table. Now some of this stuff is my mom's, but I'm gonna check back in a little later once I get everything set up. So yeah, happy Saturday. All right, y'all, this is how I got everything set up. Pictures, tables, stuff like that, and the table and some other stuff, some stuff my mom gave me. So just waiting, cars will be going by. Yeah, I'm gonna end out this video. I got my partner in crime here to help. Somebody has to make sure we don't, well, we both nobody's gonna come do anything, but hopefully we'll sell some of the stuff. If not, some of it's gonna go. Are you willing to let things go to the...
No.
I am.
I already donated a lot.
All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. All right, guys. So the yard sale went pretty well. I did pretty well. So whatever I did not sell, I still have the opportunity. I can list them on OfferUp, or I can also, you know, just donate them, give them away. So I took this time right now just to, before I get ready to take my nap, I am going to label my envelopes and get those done so I can discard some of the colors on the stripping that I don't like. I absolutely like just the black and the like pastel pink to label my thank you for my product. That's my product packaging that I picked up. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to chit chat with you guys for a minute, tell you all that I love you and I thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next vlog. All right, guys, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye.